हाय गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग इन। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड टर्न ऑन ऑल नोटिफिकेशंस। इस वीडियो में हम कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी एंड प्रिविलेज या फिर मेडिकल कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी देखेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन टू मेडिकल कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी। It is the duty of the doctor to keep all the information regarding his patient which he acquires during the course of examination, investigation or treatment of the patient as confidential. तो ये डॉक्टर की ड्यूटी होती है कि उसे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिले पेशेंट के थ्रू उसे वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल रखे। दिस ड्यूटी इज़ मोर ऑफ मॉरल ड्यूटी देन लीगल ड्यूटी। The information which is confidential can be disclosed only with consent of the patient, someone who is authorized to give such consent to disclose, or exceptional circumstances where such disclosure is of paramount importance। तो ये सारे सिचुएशन में वो इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्लोज कर सकता है डॉक्टर रिगार्डिंग द पेशेंट। Now, what is the need of confidentiality? A doctor knows the confidential information about the patient which a patient discloses to him for his treatment. तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन पेशेंट देता है उसे वो ट्रीटमेंट के थ्रू ट्रीटमेंट के लिए देता है इंफॉर्मेशन डॉक्टर को, ताकि डॉक्टर को वो इंफॉर्मेशन इम्पॉर्टेंट लगे। जो इंफॉर्मेशन इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है उसके द्वारा वो ट्रीटमेंट प्लान कर सके या उसे बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो पेशेंट के बारे में। If such confidential information of the patient is disclosed by the doctor, then a patient would not confide in the डॉक्टर। तो अगर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पेशेंट एक भरोसे के द्वारा डॉक्टर को देता है, अगर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डॉक्टर डिस्क्लोज करे तो पेशेंट उस डॉक्टर को कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं बताएगा। As a result, patient may not come to the doctor for treatment. The reason for not disclosing such information is that the patient may fear that due to the disclosure of his personal information to others, he may lose his job, friends, and his self-esteem. Patient must have trust and confidence in his doctors that his secret will not be disclosed. So patient को एक भरोसा होना चाहिए डॉक्टर में कि उसकी information safe है। Thus, without confidentiality, the doctor may not be able to treat patient. Hence, confidentiality is both legal and moral duty. यहाँ पे हम एक केस लॉ देखेंगे, X वर्सेस Y बेस्ड ऑन इंग्लिश केस लॉ। इस केस के फैक्ट्स ये है कि 2 डॉक्टर्स एम्प्लॉयड विद द हॉस्पिटल कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड एड्स। They continued their employment even after this. A newspaper paid money to 2 hospital employees and obtained information about the 2 HIV infected doctors. Now, the court held that the employees of the hospital were under a legal duty not to disclose such information regarding HIV positive patients or persons to the press. Court, while considering the freedom of press to publish the identity of AIDS victim in newspaper, gave an injunction and restrained the newspaper from publishing information. But the newspaper went ahead and published the information. The court held the newspaper guilty for contempt of court and imposed fine of £10,000 on the newspaper. What are the exceptions of medical confidentiality? So medical confidentiality is very important, but there are certain exceptions when the doctor can disclose confidential information. So we'll see the first situation over here, the first exception, consent of the patient. Now, the confidential information about a patient can be disclosed to other person by taking prior consent of patient. Sometimes patients are not able to give valid consent. This may happen when first situation is when the patient is a child. They don't have sufficient maturity and understanding to give a valid consent. Second situation is when a person is of unsound mind. Appointed guardians can give consent to disclose the confidential information. And the last situation is deceased person. Duty of confidentiality not stopped with death of a person. It extends beyond the death. Hence, it is vested in legal representative. Now, second exception to medical confidentiality is by legal duty to disclose. There are certain circumstances wherein a doctor is under statutory duty to disclose the confidential information about his patient. तो कुछ सिचुएशन में उसकी लीगल ड्यूटी बनती है कि वो डॉक्टर पेशेंट के कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन को एक्सप्रेस करे, वो बताए, वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करे, डिस्क्लोज करे। इसे प्रिविलेज कम्युनिकेशन भी कहा जा सकता है। यहाँ पे उसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं। इफ़ अ पेशेंट इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेस देन द कंसेंट ऑफ द पेशेंट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू डिस्क्लोज द इन्फॉर्मेशन। When a patient or a doctor is when a doctor is called as a witness in the court of law, तो ये दो एग्जाम्पल्स है जहाँ पे उसे प्रिविलेज कम्युनिकेशन का राइट मिलता है डॉक्टर को, जहाँ पे डॉक्टर की लीगल ड्यूटी बनती है टू डिस्क्लोज द इंफॉर्मेशन. Now, third exception is to professional colleagues and associates. For the purpose of giving the proper treatment to the patient, a doctor may require the disclosure of information to fellow doctors, nurses, and other specialists. Fourth exception है disclosure in public interest. In public interest, a doctor may disclose the confidential information of his patient to third party. The doctor is duty bound to disclose the existence of infectious disease to proper authority. Thus, the confidential information can be disclosed when larger public is justified. Larger public interest is justified. तो इसका बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है रिगार्डिंग कोविड. तो अगर कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट इनिशियली जब डॉक्टर्स के पास जा रहे थे तो डॉक्टर्स आर लीगली ऑब्लाइज्ड, लीगली ड्यूटी बाउंड to share that information to the government. This is in regards to the public interest, larger public interest. Next exception है teaching and research. For the purpose of teaching and research, a doctor can disclose the confidential information of a patient without his consent. Next exception है disclosure for the benefit of patient. For the benefit of patient, the doctors can disclose the confidential information to the family of the patient. Now, prohibition against excessive disclosure. The doctor can disclose the confidential information about the patient to the third party if it comes under any of the above exceptions to confidentiality. But while disclosing the doctor must ensure that only that information is disclosed which is needed to know and no more. तो उसे ये ध्यान में रखना है कि ये एक्सेप्शंस में अगर फॉल होता है सिचुएशन तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन तो शेयर कर सकता है, लेकिन उतना ही इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहिए जितना ज़रूरत हो, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. सो दिस ब्रिंग्स टू द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियो गाइज. आई विल बी अपलोडिंग मोर वीडियोज़ रिगार्डिंग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर लॉ, for LLB, and please subscribe to my channel guys to support me. For now, take care of your health, take care of your family, take care of yourself guys. Bye for now.